da noi due.
Good morning, my dear friends. A new kit, spring, and from Sweden here. So we are going through it. As you see, it's a lot of green and yellow. 2 big flowers over here. And we have the borders with flowers. And 2 ladies. It's nice to have like that. And we have those. I don't know what you call it. It's typical wallpaper. Some big flowers. And we have the vintage page. And here have we a really sparkling page. 2 ladies again. A little rustic. And here are the, I think of a summer meadow. And here a little bit what you can call it. Autumn, spring. It makes me happy. So we take this as well. And here we have the book page. And I just cut off here and have this. So I love those flowers. And we have collage. And burlap, you see. And we have lace, big lace. And dots. And stripes. And wallpaper again. And then I do not have any coffee dyed or tea dyed paper. So I think I'm doing 2. 1 yellow and 1 light green. So there we go. And then we have, there will be a 1 page of 2 pockets. And some cards you can play with. And I was thinking to have it as, what you call it? What you call it? Belly band. So, and then we have some pockets, some tabs with Easter, spring, flowers, butterfly, eggs, you see. Yep. And then we have some tags. And here are pale ones. You can always decorate them. You have a page with some flowers you can always play with. I think we see how I was thinking. We have those 3 pale, wait a minute, there. Those 3 tail tags. There. So you can always decorate decorate them with my stickers. If you want to play, I have one more flower over here. So, yeah. And you have one more over here. There. My stickers. That was all. So, thank you for watching. Bye.